Welcome to PaidToday. Getting started, quick overview on the interface. First thing we want to take a look at is we have this left sidebar here, and this has a number of different tabs for, as you can see, our calendar, our contacts, invoices, orders, all of this different stuff that we can do with our PaidToday. If we're looking for administrative kind of things like our business details and stuff like that, go ahead and click on the business tab here, and you can see that we have settings if we want to add team members. Phone numbers, or get our booking forms created. Number of different options here. And then also the same with the CRM. You can see that we also have a drop down for this as well. And this has a number of different things under that. So it's kind of easily accessible from anywhere on here. You can also remove that sidebar if you need more screen space. If you're working from a laptop or a smaller size screen, you can just kind of push that out of the way. And if you want to open it, go ahead and click on these three bars in the top left and it'll come back. If you want to lock it, you can always lock it with the pin sidebar. If you look up here at the top right, we can see there's a drop down arrow here. And this will allow us to do our business switching. If you're a member of multiple businesses or you have multiple business accounts, you can switch between them easily here. And if you want to update your profile information, you can also see that here on the top right and enter that stuff in there. You can see your purchases history, and you can also sign out from up here. The menu on the top right, this is kind of or in the top middle here, this is a global menu. You can use this to search for specific things that you're looking for, or actions or things you want to do within the app. And this kind of just gives you a general overview of a bunch of different areas that you might want to be getting to. So if you just start typing, you can see I can get us into the websites, and that'll take us in there. And then we also have the breadcrumbs here, so if you ever need to get back to something that you're at, you can go ahead and click on that. So if we go into projects, and we can see that we're going into our project here further in, you can just move one back, or you can go all the way back home. So the breadcrumbs are pretty useful for navigation within the app. This red bell here, this will be your activity, and you can see that we have a bunch of unread activity, has 25 on that number up there, and you can also see our activity over here. And these bolded ones are the unreads, and so I can go ahead and mark it as red, or mark all as red as well. The green circle just means that you're real-time connected. Sometimes if you run into an issue where you've been idle for a long time, you may become disconnected or desynced, and so you always want to check, make sure you got that green circle up there.